Hi, I am Harshal Jagdar from Western Institute of Technology. Today, I am going to give a presentation of how AWS store our data. AWS provides three main types of data storages like S3, EBS, RDS, which we see in next slides. They are designed by considering durability, scalability, availability, and cost. First is durability. It means how safe is the data is stored. AWS provides 99.11 times 9% durability, which is very high compared to other tools. Data is stored in the multiple locations to prevent data loss. It ensures long-term data safety. Second is availability. It means AWS provide around 99.99% access to the client's data or your data. You can access the data anywhere and anytime. Third is scalability. AWS give you ability to increase and decrease storage as you needed. Also, AWS provide unlimited storage. Also, it is automatically adjust based on demand. No need for manual upgrades. Fourth is cost. AWS follows pay-as-you-go model. It means pay only for your uses. No need to buy hardware. It is reduce overall cost. Next is types of data. First is S3, which is object-based storage. S3 storage is unstructured data like images, videos, and files. Data is stored as an object inside a bucket. It is it is highly scalable and reusable. It used for the backups and cloud storage. It is also provides very high durability. Second, EBS, which is block-based storage. It is a work like a virtual hard disk. It is attached to the EC2 instant. The data is stored in a OS application and data. It provides high performability and low latency. Data is stored in a blocks. It is useful for databases and applications. Third types is RDS, which is the database type storage used for the structured data like tables and records. It supports MySQL. It is fully manageable by AWS. It is automatically backup and updated. It provides high availability and multi-agent developments used for the web application and encryption. Also, it is used for the SQL. Now, detailed study in types of data. First is S3. Amazon's S3 is an object-based data storage. Data is stored in the form of the object inside a bucket. It is highly reliable with a 99.11 times 9% durability. AWS Cloud containing region where all services are run. Inside a region, we have a VPC, which is a virtual private network. Availability zone is a data center where services are placed. EC2 is the computer run the application. It is connected to the storage using a mount tracker. Data is stored in the Amazon's S3 bucket and automatically synchronized. Next type is EBS. Amazon's EBS provides block storage. It works like a hard disk attached to the virtual machine. Amazon's EBS is used to create storage volumes. Volume can be created from the snapshot or as an empty volume. These volumes are attached to the EC2 instant. Normally, a volume can be attached to only a one instant at a time. Snapshots are used for the backups and recoveries. You can create multiple snapshots, modify them, and delete a volume as you created, and you can see in this chart. Next type is RDS. Amazon's RDS is a managed database services. It supports database like MySQL. Clients connected to the AWS through an internet gateway. Inside a region, a VPC acts as a private network. EC2 instant is a place inside a public subnet in a accessible from internet. EC2 communicates with RDS securely inside a VPC. Security group control access between EC2 and RDS. In conclusion, AWS provides a complete solution for the data storage by combining advanced storage service like S3, EBS, and RDS with a storage. It a multi-layer data storage approach and global influence ensure high availability, durability, and protect from the data market. AWS is one of the most reliable cloud platform in the world. Thank you.